Hello, welcome to Roost Vans. We're going to be going over our strap-up bed system.
Available as a standard size for front to back sleeping or a compact side for the kids to sleep side to side. It secures and installs to our smooth rail mounting system, can be positioned to sleep level regardless of any terrain you're parked on. Stores with all of your bedding all the way up to the ceiling and can be lowered to the wheel well in seconds.
And in this video we're going to show how to lower it and also how to raise it. So the upper straps control the height of the bed and also support the weight. These lower straps help keep the bed from moving side to side or front to back. First step is go ahead and loosen the lower straps, and then you can disconnect them from the clips. I'll do the same thing on the front. Now the second step is to lower the bed to the height that you're interested in, just one side at a time, and then you can reattach the lower straps. Do the same thing on the front. Now the last step is getting it secured after you've got it to the height that you're interested in. The best way to do that is to pull it taut. Now the straps come with a Velcro loop so that you can secure all the straps. Raising the strap up bed is kind of the opposite of lowering it. Take the tension out of the lower straps, disconnect them, and then you can reconnect them onto the upper mount. Do the same thing on the front. And then you use the straps to pull the bed up into position. Notice here I'm leaving a little bit of slack and it's not fully raised. Pull these lower straps taut on all four corners. And then you can take up all the remaining tension and have a pretty secure upper bed panel that's not going to move while you drive. Feel free to reach out to roostvans.com or sales@roostvans.com for more info.